The load is what will power the light. It goes to the light, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Load
Yeah.
is powering light. Yep,
Yeah.
like you
and
said.
then the line is what carries the power into the switch.
Yep.
And then the travelers are the circuit in between the two switches.
Mm-hmm.
And they can be hot, but generally they should not be hot. The only thing that is hot with power should be the line. That's what we determined.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So ultimately, the juice is on that side,
Yeah.
or what you call this the line,
Yeah.
and that line will feed one of those traveler wires power, and then one of those traveler wire, which is these two,
Yeah.
will get power here.
Yeah. Okay.
So again, the power is coming from that side,
Yeah.
and then these two traveler wires also exist on that side.
Okay.
And when the line comes in, depending on you flip up or down. Let's say you flip up, and the red traveler wires now is this red wire will get juice, and that juice will go into the load.
Yeah.
And the load is this one.
Yeah.
So what? So
So actually, I'm going to change this because it should not be labeled line. I have to find a sticker. It should be labeled load.
yes.
Yeah, that's what's throwing you off. So I have two lines, it sounds like there's two electrical wires, but there should just be one line and load.
Yeah, only one line.
Yeah.
So which
So this
exists
should be
on the
a
other
load.
side.
Yeah, exactly. Because this is actually there's no electricity unless you plug that in.
Yeah. So ultimately, whenever this thing sees electricity,
Yeah.
it'll light up.
Yeah.
And that electricity only happens in these two traveler wires whenever that other switch gives it.
Yeah.
However, even if that other switch doesn't give it, it exists in one of these wires.
Yeah.
And when you do it here, it'll still get the power and send it over here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why it's called a three-way switch.
Okay.
And then on your switch you're holding, go ahead and hold it.
It was mislabeled.
Yeah.
Like
This screw, this one should be over here, and this screw should be over here, and these two that are across from each other, those are usually where the traveler wires live.
Oh. So that's where what I did was I labeled based on the look.
Yeah.
Right? Because
So-
I was reading online, they said that they tend to be opposites.
Yep.
And they're colored.
Yeah. So somehow somebody must have took this screw and put it over here and over there. This
Yeah.
is like really weird too.
Okay. So that's why I adopted this and I put it in there and I just labeled it based on that.
Do you have your other older ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see your other older ones and see if my theory is correct where the two brass ones are opposite of each other.
This was the other one. Yeah. So look at this, but it's got the same look to it.
Okay, so what are the two that's side by side? Oh, sick. Why is it screwed like that? That means nobody really labeled it wrong. Black wire clamp. Back wire clamps. Yeah, I don't know why they put the black one by its there. Okay, so I guess you can't go by my theory that the two screws.
Yeah.
Well, that's how it was in class. So that's how I recall. But who knows if the students moved it in class?
Yeah.
Okay, so don't worry about that theory.
Okay.
All right.
So we're good.
Yeah. Yay.